Product design documents are long and nobody reads them. But what's the alternative? So we have a new feature coming. It's important, a bit complex, but not something I would do a design sprint about because it's not a major strategic change that requires C-level people directly involved. Still, we need alignment and we need to be sure we're delivering the right product on time. One way is to write a PRD, but most people I met hate to write them and even more to read them. I personally stopped using them altogether. What I do is a quick workshop. It is based on design thinking and design sprint methodologies. Usually it'll take a couple of hours involving 3 to 4 people, and by the end of it, we are focused and know exactly what we are about to do. Even more important, it is structured to encourage creativity and innovation in a way that is both fun and effective. We use Miro as our remote whiteboard, but you can do it with Post-its or any other whiteboard system. As an example, I will use a product we're working on called To Be Education, a role-playing platform designed for educational purposes. In To Be, we got customer feedback that our teacher dashboard is confusing, and we're getting customer support requests quite frequently around it. So the challenge was to redesign the dashboard, make it more communicative and functional. Preparation. Before the workshop, the facilitator, which can be the UX designer or product manager, draws a simplified user journey map. We have a complete video for this, so check it out. It should look something like that, really simplified with the main use cases shown. In the workshop, you should have someone from product, someone from design, and hopefully someone from dev. It is always good to have someone who knows the users and can tell us. Also, going into the workshop, we must be clear on who has the final word on this, who will take the decisions in our workshop. It's more important to get started than being right. So someone has to make decisions so we can actually get started. Step 1, what works? We start to write the good things that work, in the current dashboard, for example. We want to start on a positive note and understand the good things about the current design. Each person works alone, and then we put all of the notes together in one place on the whiteboard. Each participant read their insights. Not more than 1 minute per participant. This is just to get us started. Step 2, capture challenges. Remember the map? The facilitator shows the map to the team and goes step by step explaining the user journey. This is super important as one of the biggest design mistakes is to look at functionality per screen and not consider the flow as the first priority. Our question should not only revolve around the what, but also around the when. As the facilitator presents the map, the rest of the team writes down the challenges they hear along the user journey. You can open up the discussion for other team members to share information, but not too much. Try to stay focused and make the team work on listening and capturing. The team should start each challenge with the word, how might we? And end it with the challenge. For example, how might we enable the teachers to quickly start the last game they selected? You can see that the challenge is quite focused and it does not hold the solution in it. The phrasing standardizes the way we address challenges and make us want to solve them. Step 3, prioritize challenges. We can't solve all of the problems for all of the people all of the time. We have to focus and agree on the main things that have to be solved in this development cycle. We give each participant 3 votes and ask them to vote on the top 3 challenges. Finally, we ask the decider to select the top 3 or 4 challenges. Step 4, select the concept scope. We take the main challenges and we place them on the user journey. We ask ourselves where in the flow this challenge is most relevant. Once this is done, we ask the decider to look at the map and decide where we should start. Normally, where most of the challenges are. Sometimes we think we're going to redesign the dashboard and realize that actually we need to fix the registration process. It is highly recommended that you narrow down the scope of your concept design and show it early to the team or the users for feedback. This way, you will avoid straying away from the achieved alignment and validate your ideas early. Step 5, design solutions. This step is optional. In many cases, the designers can take it from here, come up with 2 or 3 options for the concept and show it back to the team or user test them. In other cases, It's a good idea to use the team and do a creative brainstorm for possible solution concepts. We have a video for that as well, so check it out. Try to come up with a 1, 2, 3 concept that will show a little context and flow, and not only one screen of functionality. That's it. Now you're set to go forward and do the details and technicalities. I've done this so many times, and it never failed me. It always surprises me and focuses me. I would love to hear from you. How do you focus your teams and elevate their engagement and creativity? If you want more of this, subscribe to our channel and get a weekly video with product, UX, and innovation updates. See you next week.